Hello, precious family. Welcome back to Glorious Ahombrasi Kitchen. This is Mami Mobi Biara Akwaba. I said today's one is very simple but delicious. I ate half of it myself. All by myself. Me di half me kwa. You and a key lime pie. Let's go to the kitchen. No wasting time. Okay, say, yeah. See? You, ain't me or her crumb crackers, no? 2.5 cups. Muhu sanya me and or blender. I'll bet me I used to blender there. And cream cheese, Philadelphia cream cheese, and also 8 ounce. Yes, and condensed milk. And say condensed milk would be how we used to me use how many 14 ounce. And I'm a one chinny salt. And butter, melted butter is almost 1 cup. Yeah, and I have so me half a cup lime juice me squeezy fresh into anka green no anka try green no 3 and I'm squeezy into iron. It's not fully half a cup. Ne melted butter. Ne anka no green no and before I'm baby squeezing and I may grate green no. Yeah. And into lemon zest and cream, heavy cream, milk, heavy cream, yeah, in tin. And also so you may use to be a 1 cup. Okay, TMFiase. Intimidate kakra. Okay. Now feel me better. Now my friend. You want more button better way. Hey. Yay. Smells so yummy. Yeah. Smells good. It's like we're toasting a bread. Okay. Now come. I say cookies factory. Okay. Cinema transfer good. Me pan him. Yeah, made a baby baked pie. Pie plate, yes. Pie plates. This is it. I don't know why. Tina where used to be there. Level. Then you hamo. Hey, Huamankasa. See, me return subscribers. Hey. My name say na many just say my return. Radin Shram. Say my return. You. No nyam will be starting in mom. God bless all my returning subscribers. It's my prayer that God will grant you all your heart desires, okay? Brassier Kitchen, love you all. Me viewers, Radin Shramo. Okay? The be make us say Radin Shram, okay? Tino. Say, Ubi Chawadea, Ubi Yusunina. And I bet it to, I bet say, but if I say God bless you, it's forever. And there's nothing like God blessings. Okay, it's beautiful now. What do you think? Okay, and it's saying, may the question freeze them. So for 35 minutes, depends. It's going to be okay. See, me the question freeze him for 35 minutes, and makoyeme popping nasa feeling sani ebe friend bia. Okay. She say me fie me milk na gum 1 cup. 1 cup. So this is 1 cup heavy cream. Okay, just saying, may they make cheese natum. Next is our cheese. It's inside the little bit creamy. But it's in back on them. Yeah, in a different bowl. So okay, so me the condensed milk no a big hey if I me fan. Hey. Okay, it's inside. Men tasty. We tasty already in. We tasty already in. Don't taste it or you end up eating everything. All the cream will be gone before you finish. Now this is the cheese and the condensed milk. And we're not just saying all around and quack. Okay, so now I'm adding my squeezed lime juice. So maybe I'm cardio green. I'm squeezing, and I'm the account to say. Hey, what about ninja? Nani, no. Back then, a few. Okay, see, here milk and now may first time. Yeah, maybe I know so I can. Intin milk na me and any. It says a medifra. So your milk na the milk nugum nase very creamy. My wedding come because if you hook a baba na I butter. I have butter, I have butter, so you stay by it. Because I went away and it almost ruined my thing. So stay by it. Okay. Then you na afra fine. Made it. Ankana hono na kakra egum. Lime zest no kakra egum. Yeah, when she pie crest nini, I have fine, I come. But I never maintain what is your mind chat natching. Tin. India, he be a betching 35 in a crane. Okay, this is saying me cream in there, babe. Okay. Tim Betty Tinny, I can't go. So, yo, I be seeing a phone to say, near any. To say, in a record fridge for hours. Na I and then I father for so on, dear father. What's a pretty ye? It is a say no. I deny it. Fair and cassa. Yo, I was your phone to say ye, to say the question fridge him. The highest when I can may JD. You, see a best fridge for hours. I just say, ye be in, now I say, come, Tinafi, wait to me. It's going inside the fridge for hours. Then it will be ready for you to consume. Enjoy. Yeah. Me the chef fridge, me down me the chef fridge overnight. Oh, so gross. Yay! My favorite because Nine. Okay. Also done. See, I'm finding the eye come. See, I feel like I say a big trim, near whom near Kosovo.